Welcome to Red Tape Productions. In this video we will be referencing an article written by The Awakening. I came across this article while researching a Mandela effect about frequencies. The resonant frequency of Earth and all organic matter has nearly doubled to 7.83 Hz. Keep in mind, this article was written in November of 2011. A dimension is a layer of reality which is based on a range of vibrational frequencies. The third dimension is the physical realm. It is the realm of dense form. The fourth dimension is the astral realm, one of emotion, illusion and distortion. It is the realm of the subconscious mind, our dream world. The fifth dimension, the etheric realm, is a dimension of spiritual truth. And, as a conscious, living being, the planet Earth exists in all of these dimensions. On September 9, of 2009, a significant event occurred that moved 4.69 billion people into a fifth-dimensional range of frequencies on a new timeline, called Terra. This so-called rapture of 70% of the population occurred in order to remove us from the old third-dimensional reality and transition us up into a fifth-dimensional reality that is based on a new paradigm. The new fifth-dimensional timeline was split off from the original third-dimensional timeline of our chronological history. And, because it's higher, frequencies move at a faster vibration, it is beginning to pull away. During the summer of 2012, while humanity was feeling the influence of two powerful, back-to-back eclipses, Neptune, the ruler of spiritual enlightenment, was firmly positioned in the sign of Pisces. Pisces is the sign of sensitivity and compassion, the sign that rules third-eye perception. At that exact same time, the planet Venus completed her 8-year formation of a rare, five-pointed star around the Sun, leaving her positioned where her higher frequencies will permeate planet Earth. According to the science of astrology, Venus represents the goddess of love, grace and beauty. With this kind of astronomical power, the seeds of love that these planets planted in the 1960s can finally break through to expression in a reality where only love can exist. The energies that are still alive in the old paradigm are retaliating in a great effort to discourage this changing of the guard. It will be the end of the year 2012 when the disintegration of the old timeline will be complete. At that time, humanity will prepare itself for a giant leap in intelligence and spiritual consciousness, and the beginning of a new Earth game in the higher dimensions. This is not a time for us to flow out and into the etheric realm, it is time for that realm to flow into us. But not everyone who is now living on the Terra Nova timeline will continue into the Golden Age. Many people have chosen, at the soul level, to pass on, before Earth reaches that time. Some of the people who are leaving the Earth do so in accordance with their soul contract. Many others will leave because they will be unable to accept the many truths that are about to be revealed. For those who want to continue into the Golden Age, this is a gift that is based on individual participation. It is an experience that each individual must now ask and intend for. And each and every one of us must now make the effort to learn how to live in the new paradigm. If we want to go where only love can exist, we must learn how to become love. There are 2.9 billion people who have not moved onto the new timeline. Approximately one-half of those people have made the choice, from the soul level, to continue their evolution by living in duality on another planet. As they leave the world stage, much of the darkness on our planet is being eliminated. Their fierce tenacity has kept the truths that must now become known. Truths that have been hidden for thousands of years. In order to withstand the tremendous energies that will be streaming in from the central suns at the end of 2012, the Earth will make her ascension on the 12-12-12. This will bring a rapid and sudden end to duality. These truths and their resulting changes will then tumble down like chess pieces falling off of a chessboard. To understand what is really taking place in the old third-dimensional Earth game, we need only look at it from the angle of the chess game. Those who are observing from the level of the board cannot see the pieces for what they truly are. We need to adjust our focus and look down on the game from above, so we can see it from God's perspective. It is God who is making the moves. In order to survive in the higher vibrations, the Earth must release the negativity from this world. So the love of power must be displaced by our power to love. The balance between light and dark is found by looking beyond the veil. Sadly, the remaining one-half of the 2.9 billion will continue playing the third-dimensional Earth game because of their inability to adapt to the higher vibrational frequencies of the new Terra Nova timeline. Because of various types of programming that has occurred during their lives, they are unable to change, accept new ideas, or overcome their emotional blockages. But many indigo and crystal children have volunteered at the soul level to remain there to help awaken them to their divinity. None of these people will notice the shift we have taken to Terra Nova, but eventually, they will have a chance to leave the old paradigm behind to join us on the new Earth. Welcome to